Uneven muscles in your lower back? This is the video you've been asking for. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health. You know, one of the most common questions that I get from viewers is how do you fix muscles in your lower back when they're uneven? You know, in other words, the left side is well developed, but the right side is underdeveloped. It's a common question, and people will ask me how to fix it. Can you do a video on it? And you know what? I decided to do a video on that topic today. So when we're talking about uneven muscles in the lower back, we're primarily dealing with the erector spinae muscles. And that's a group of muscles that run along the entire length of the spine that stabilize and give support to the spine. We're primarily talking about the erector spinae muscles that are in the lumbar area, the lower back. You know, that's what we're talking about when you have that one side of your lower back that's nice and thick like it should be, but then you have the other side that's underdeveloped. We want to move into doing some corrective exercise to fix this, but I just want to take a second to just kind of try to bring to your attention, you know, why is that happening to you? You know, why is that left side thicker than that right side? You know, if we don't figure out why, it doesn't matter how many corrective exercises you do, because the problem is just going to continue for the rest of your life. So what I would recommend doing, if you've been dealing with this and say you're a weightlifter, you know, you exercise a lot, is, you know, take a moment over the next couple workouts and try to see if you can put your finger on what's going on. And what I would recommend doing is, say, for example, on the next day that you squat or you deadlift, set up your camera and film yourself from the front, film yourself from the side, and see if you're doing something that's mechanically, you know, not correct. In other words, when you're squatting, is one foot shifted in front of the other? Do you notice that your hips are shifted one way? Is your shoulders shifted? You know, are you kind of crooked when you're squatting? Is one side a little lower than the other? You know, look for discrepancies during your exercise to see if it's something that you can fix. You know, same thing when you're deadlifting. Film yourself. You know, you're deadlifting. Are your shoulders uneven in this direction? Are they uneven in that direction? Is one foot in front of the other? Film it from the front. Film it from the side. See if you can figure it out. If you film it and you see that mechanical issue, drop the weights back and start correcting it. You know, if you notice that you keep deadlifting with your hips turned, you know, the left hip is in front of the right hip, drop the weight way back and start doing your sets and really concentrate on keeping the hips in the line. You know, you have to see if you can figure it out. You know, so whatever your activity is, see if you can analyze it. If you can't film it, have someone watch you doing your exercise, your activities, and see if you can put a finger on it. It can also be the uneven musculature can also be the result of the position of your spine in general, and that might require going to a chiropractor and working on your spinal alignment. You know, it could be an issue with just the position of your spine that just need to be aligned. So anyways, I just wanted to make mention of that because it's important sometimes with these type of injuries to kind of figure out why they're happening so that we can fix them. It helps us fix it, okay? So try to do that. Work on trying to figure out why it's happening. Put your finger on it. Once you do, these are the couple exercises I want you to start working on. Okay, so here's the first exercise. We're just doing two different exercises. We're going to pretend as if the left spinal erectors are underdeveloped, so we want to work on them. We're going to focus as if the left side is the weak side or the underdeveloped side, okay? First exercise we're going to utilize is a side plank. Now, a lot of people think of side planks or regular planks as a core, you know, abdominal type of exercise, but it actually will engage the erector muscles on the side. So in other words, if I want to work my left erectors, I would have my left arm down and be on like my left side of my body. And we're going to do it in a couple different ways. You can do them off your elbow. You know, if you're really good at doing these, you can do them off your arm and do the side plank off your arm. I'm just going to show you the easier way to do them. But like I said, if you feel that you're someone who does a lot of side planks, by all means, if you want to do them off a straight arm, you can. I'm going to do them off my elbow just to show everyone today. So have your feet out like this. A couple different ways we're going to do them is we're going to first do a set of 10. Like, in other words, we're not going to hold it. We're actually just going to do repetitions. And I want you to do 3 sets on the side that's underdeveloped, and then I want you to turn around and do 1 set on the other side, just to get 1 set on that side. We don't want to totally neglect the other side, but we're going to do the bulk of the work on the weaker or underdeveloped side. So from here on the side plank, all I want you to do, hips are down on the ground right now, is come up, squeeze through here, and I want you to do a 2 count, 1001, 1002, and then let the hip come back down. And as soon as it touches and you relax just for a split second, come back up. 1001, 1002, relax for a second, 1001, 1002. I want you to start with 3 sets of 10 and then 1 set of 10 on the other side. Now I want to just show you why this is a great exercise for the erector. You know, like I said, a lot of people think of this as, oh, okay, you're working in here. But let me just turn around for a second and just show you from the back here when you do this exercise. So I'm going to be here. Now watch my left erectors get engaged as I pull up. These muscles are all engaged on this side. This side's relaxed. So I'm just engaging the left erectors when I do this side plank. So the side plank is a great way to focus in on one of the erectors. Now after you do 3 sets of 10 on the weak side, 1 set of 10 on the stronger side, then I want you to come back to this left side again, and we're going to hold it up. And now we're going to maintain and hold this position for 30 seconds. So I want to do a 30-second side plank. I want you to come down, rest about 10 seconds. If you need to rest a little longer, that's fine at first. And then I want you to come back up for another 30 seconds. 2 sets of 30-second holds on this side. Then go to the other side and do a side plank for 1 set for 30 seconds. Okay, and here's our second exercise that we're going to do. Once again, focusing on the left erectors, making believe that is our underdeveloped or weak side. You can use a bar like I'm doing right now, or you can just lean over your sofa or whatever you need to do. But basically have your torso bent over at the waist to about 90 degrees like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to come out with the left leg first, just like that. And then once we're in this position, watch how I'm going to turn my torso as far as I can in this direction, like that. I'm going to come back to neutral and then back like that. And that's going to be a 1 count. And it's going to be just like I just showed you, in a nice, slow, controlled manner. Out, turn back, and down. Come out, turn back, and down. Now, just like the side plank, that's going to be 3 sets of 10 repetitions on the side that's the weaker or underdeveloped side. And then you're going to turn around and just do 1 set of 10 on the other side. Then, like the side planks, we're going to come back to this. We're going to bend over again, extend the leg, turn out, and now we're going to do a 30-second hold in this position, okay? We're going to hold it for 30 seconds, then you're going to turn, come back, give yourself about a 10-second rest, come back, and another 30-second hold in this position. Once again, like the side plank, then you'll come and turn around and do the opposite side for just 1 hold of 30 seconds, okay? So those are the 2 exercises that you want to start working on to try to even out the erector muscles in the lower back. Okay, so there you have it. I want you doing those exercises every other day for the next 30 days. Do not expect to do those exercises once or twice and then tell me they're not working. It isn't something that happens in like a couple workouts. This is something that I want you to go at it every other day for the next 30 days just to see if you start making some changes. I mean, this might be something, if you have a pretty good discrepancy, you might need to be working on this for months. I mean, this is something that probably developed over a period of months or even years, so don't expect it to change overnight. But work on it for the next 30 days. Leave a comment after that in the comment section below. Let me know how you're doing. You know, have you started to notice a change? Is it helping? Is it not helping? Questions about exercise or injuries, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I do the best I can to get back to everybody. And don't forget, OcraMed Health is here to keep you fit forever.